Hello, everyone. A very warm welcome to our English speaking class. Let me ask you something. Have you ever gone to a restaurant and thought, I want to speak English, but what if I make a mistake? The waiter speaks very fast. You look at the menu and think, what is all this?
Haha. If you feel like this, then relax. Today's lesson is made especially for beginners. Easy English, slow English, no pressure English.
After watching this full video, you will confidently talk to a waiter, order food in English, ask questions, explain problems politely, and enjoy your food without fear.
Scene 1. Reaching the restaurant. You reach the restaurant door. The waiter smiles and says, "Welcome."
You can reply simply, hello, hi. Small words, big confidence.
Scene 2. Number of people. The waiter asks, "How many people?"
You can say, one person, two people, we're four. Now practice with us. Two people, please.
Scene 3. Waiting for a table. Sometimes the restaurant is full. The waiter says, "Please wait."
You reply politely, okay, no problem. Calm and polite English.
Scene 4. Sitting down. The waiter says, "Please sit here."
You reply, thank you. If you want another place, say, can we sit there? Near the window, please.
Scene 5. Asking for the menu. Practice.
Now let's practice together. Say it clearly. Can I see the menu, please?
Again, menu, please. Great job. Scene 6. Menu confusion. Very important. Looking at the menu can be confusing. No problem at all. Ask these easy questions. What is this? What is inside this? Is this chicken? Is this vegetarian?
A very useful sentence. What do you recommend? Use this when you are not sure.
Scene 7. Talking about taste. You can ask about taste. Is it spicy? Is it sweet? Is it salty?
If you cannot eat spicy food, say, not spicy, please. Simple English saves your mouth.
Scene 8. Ordering drinks. Let's order drinks. I would like water. I want tea. I would like coffee.
If you want a cold drink, say, a cold drink, please. Easy and clear.
Scene 9. Ordering food slowly.
Now it is time to order food. Speak slowly. No hurry. I would like a burger. I want rice. I would like chicken.
To talk about quantity, say, 1 burger, please. 2 plates of rice, please.
Scene 10. Adding polite words.
Always remember 2 magic words. Please, thank you.
These words make your English sound kind and polite.
Scene 11. While waiting for food.
If the food is late, stay calm. Say politely, How long will it take?
Or say, is my order ready?
Scene 12. Problem with food.
If the food is very spicy, say politely, it is too spicy.
If the food is cold, say, the food is cold. Always speak politely.
Scene 13. Praising the food.
If the food is good, say, the food is very good. It is delicious. I like it.
Restaurant staff love these sentences.
Scene 14. Asking for extra items.
If you want more water, say, can I have more water, please?
If you want a spoon or fork, say, spoon, please. Fork, please.
Scene 15. Asking for the bill.
When you finish eating, say, can I have the bill, please?
Or, simple English, bill, please. Practice this sentence often.
Scene 16. Paying the bill.
The waiter asks, cash or card?
You can answer, cash. Card.
Scene 17. Leaving the restaurant.
Before leaving, say, thank you.
And also say, have a nice day. Good manners and good English.
Confidence booster section.
Remember one thing. English is not about being perfect.
English is about communication. Simple words are powerful.
Daily practice tip.
Practice these sentences at home. Stand in front of a mirror. Speak slowly and clearly.
Mistakes are okay. Practice builds confidence.
Call to action strong. Comment below, what food do you order at a restaurant? Write in English.
Like this video. Share it with your friends. Subscribe for more easy English lessons.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, keep speaking English every day.